peeps, welcome to my YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Okay. However, them say dog don't eat banana, especially ripe banana. Can you believe that? I'm gonna prove you guys that's very wrong. Okay, I have a dog. He eat everything. Okay. Alright. Let's meet Brown Boss. Come. Brown Boss. Come, Brown Boss. Come. Come. Come on. Come. Don't shame me today. Don't shame me today. Banana. How would you say it, banana? I cook on it. Brown Boss shame me. You know, you ripe banana, but you need the green one, okay? Eat the only the green banana, not the ripe one. You check the ripe one in it. Alright, I'm gonna try with the green banana now. Brown Boss, come. Yes, come. Alright. Wow, you see it? Wow, you love green banana. How does the dog not eat banana? Well, Brown Boss is eat everything. Right, he don't love the ripe one, but he love the green one. Yes, Brown Boss. So for those who say dog don't eat banana, you're wrong. See, Brown Boss I eat him green banana there. You know green banana have a lot of iron. So it's good for human and animal as well. Yes, Brown Boss I eat off him green banana. Yes, Brown Boss eating his green banana. As many people say dog don't eat green banana, that's a lie. Brown Boss I eat off everything. There's some nice green banana, yeah. Good. Him don't love the ripe one, but he eat the green one, okay? I mean the cook one, yeah. The cook one I should say. Yes. So this dog eat cooked banana, okay? I know many dogs don't eat banana still, but this one eat it. Okay. There you have it. Remember subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lasanik Reid. For more fun, events, everything upon it. Funeral, parties, weddings, drama, fun. There you have it, yeah.